Okay, here we are opening the latest and greatest fire machine. Hopefully you can see that right there, made in China, which means if there's instructions in there, good luck on reading them. Opening up the box, very first thing on the top that everybody's been wondering about, propane regulator. So that answers one question right out of the box. It does come with a regulator. Got a gas hose. Oh, and I noticed immediately that there's no connectors on the ends, so we'll probably have to do that. And this gas hose does have connectors. I'm not sure whether the other end has one or not because I can't find the other end. Power cord, DMX connector and cable. There's your 3-pin DMX cable, both ends. I would be guessing that this would be your fittings to your different fire machines with your different hoses. Power cord. Last but not least, fire machine. Heavy fire machine. We got the inside or back side of it here. Power cable, DMX addressing switch, which is loose. In and out DMX, gas input, and like I figured, no instructions. So we'll go tinker with it a little bit, see what we can figure out, and we'll be back. Alright, I think I might have figured some of this stuff out, so we're going to go over what we've discovered so far. With the regulator here, this part will not be installed in the top of it. It'll be loose in the regulator box. This is what you're going to set the pressure with. And we'll get to the pressure here in a minute. So I came outside with a most definitely empty propane tank, thinking this is not going to fit anywhere, but lo and behold, there are threads on the inside of this connector. Now, I'm used to my gas grill, which got the big old black ones, yay big around, that you can just hand tighten. We can't use those. And this is a left-handed thread. Get it set just right and then start unscrewing it and it'll screw right in. This is actually on the regulator. It's just a little old, I probably can't get it off now. It's just a barb connector that goes down in the hose. I've got some little worm clamps in there. I didn't put them on because there's no propane coming out of here. And this is kind of a pain to get lined up. And again, as you can see, it's the wrong way. And the hose comes around, goes around, comes up. Now the hose that was on the inside a minute ago that had a connector on it will actually screw into the bottom there of your fire machine. Here's the back side. But I've still got a couple concerns. Number one, 2 pressure gauges. This one is marked in 0 to 0.16. And this one is marked in 0 to 2.5. I'm not sure if they're supposed to work in conjunction or if I'm supposed to pick one or what the deal is, or maybe add them together. And the second problem is nowhere on here does it say what kind of pressure you need to run this fire machine. So we'll have to do a little bit more Googling and maybe contacting some people that's had more experience with these than myself. The only other thing I've got a concern about is this right here. Now I can tell the gas comes up from, looks like a little holding tank down in the bottom. Can't really see it. This is the switch, just like on the starter fluid fire machines. That's controlled with your DMX signal to turn on and off. Then you get up to the top, and it looks like there's a part missing. So that's an awful big orifice to be shooting propane out of for your igniters to light. And until I get verification from somebody that's actually played with one of these, we will not be firing this thing off, because I kind of like my eyebrows where they are at. Alright, back to the Google board and back to the drawing board.